Hello guys, myself Dayaram Yadav. I want to something give a knowledge about the English. Why student not comfortably speak in English? What is the reason? Reason is main things that they doesn't know what is the grammar knowledge. Without grammar knowledge, student can't be speak in English in fluently way. Main base of the grammar. After that comes to the word. Word meaning is supporting a vocabulary. Each and everything the combination of speaking fluent speaking in English. There is most importance of the part of speech, direct, indirect, active, passive, narration. Each and everything they have known very well about it can be support in fluent speak in English. Otherwise they can't be speak in English. Each and everything they know very well, but they have not a practice to speak English. So daily basis they both conversation, if student conversation on a own lesson or any topics, there will be fluency, will be improvement. They can be speak in English. Their practice make a full man's conference. Reading means to say they maintain own practice daily basis. They can be speak in English fluent. After that they are knowing each and everything. They are easily reading and writing, but they can't be explained according to own desire. So there will main issue, they have no any practice. If they making daily basis practice, they maintain own routine of speak in English, and according to the statement they can be speak in English. Otherwise, here is most importance of the practice. Practice is main ways of speaking of fluency. Otherwise, they can't explain. Here is most importance means to say practice make a full man, conference a ready man, writing and the exact man. Good handwriting is symbol of perfect education. They can they can write good handwriting. Here is most importance of the practice of daily basis routine of the writing way. As the same way they want to speak in English, here is most important to speak in English. There will be practice. Only one thing is the writing and speaking of the fluency daily basis of the practice. As the same way they want to the good handwriting of symbol of perfect education. Here is most importance of the daily basis of the practice of the one page or three pages of writing. Both where is most importance of practice. Practice is main concept of reading, writing and speaking. Okay, thank you very much.